Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Bag Files. I'm MJ and I'm here with my Bluey. So today we are going to talk about our celebrity Moni Roy and her husband Suraj Nambiar. काफी टाइम से काफी स्पेकुलेशंस तो आ ही रहे थे दैट समथिंग इज ऑफ इन देयर मैरिज, बट सिंस इंस्टाग्राम इज द रियल प्रूफ और हम सब कुछ इंस्टाग्राम से ही प्रूफ लेते हैं, तो वहां पे अगर फोटोज शादी के फोटोज प्रेजेंट है दैट मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. इज जस्ट वर्क, मे बी समथिंग एल्स एंड न्यूज है, स्पेकुलेशंस है. बट we have recently witnessed that they have unfollowed each other on Instagram. That means कि इनके बीच में प्रॉब्लम है. Yes, आज के टाइम में, सोशल मीडिया के टाइम में, हमको कपल्स के बीच में प्रॉब्लम कब है तभी पता चलता है जब दोनों एक दूसरे को अनफॉलो कर देते हैं ऑन सोशल मीडिया. इनफैक्ट हर फ्रेंड हैज ऑल्सो अनफॉलोड हिम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. और हम काफी टाइम से जानते ही हैं कि मोनी रॉय और दिशा पाटनी की फ्रेंडशिप को लेके काफी स्पेकुलेशंस आते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज गर्ल एंड गर्ल फ्रेंडशिप. आई कंप्लीटली सपोर्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, बट उन लोगों का कुछ टू मच ही लगता है. मतलब आई हैव ऑल्सो माई फ्रेंड्स हु आर गर्ल्स, बट वी डोंट डू द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दे हैव बीन शोइंग अराउंड. हस्बैंड ज्यादा मिसिंग है फोटोज में. इनफैक्ट हस्बैंड हार्डली होता है इवेंट्स में. शी इज जस्ट देयर. दिशा पाटनी, इमेजिन कि किसी ने किसी से शादी करी है, उसमें थर्ड व्हीलिंग ज्यादा हो रही है इंस्टेड ऑफ हस्बैंड भी नहीं है, टू व्हीलिंग ही हो रही है, लेकिन हस्बैंड इज मिसिंग. सो ऑब्वियसली जो बोलते हैं वो हो सकता है, बिकॉज आजकल बॉलीवुड में तो आपको पता ही है लैवेंडर मैरिजेस का कितना कॉन्सेप्ट चल रहा है, और वी रियली डोंट नो बिहाइंड क्लोज डोर्स क्या होता है. बट यहाँ पे इनके केस में तो काफी न्यूज पहले से ही आ रही है. इनफैक्ट सोनम बाजवा का भी नाम काफी बार इनके साथ जोड़ा जाता है, लाइक शी इज ऑल्सो सिंगल एंड दीज जस्ट गर्ल्स वांट टू हैव फन एंड ऑल. बट रिसेंट जो इशू शुरू हुआ था कि काफी टाइम से मोनी रॉय हैज नॉट बीन पोस्टिंग एनी फोटोग्राफ्स विद हर हस्बैंड, और इफ शी वॉज दे वर जस्ट ट्राइंग मोर लाइक अ कवर अप फोटोग्राफ्स. बट द हस्बैंड हैज कंप्लीट डिलीटेड ऑल हर फोटोग्राफ्स, रिमूव द मैरिज फोटोग्राफ्स. तो ऑब्वियसली अगर कोई ये सब करता ही है तो कोई ना कोई तो इशू होता ही है, अदरवाइज वाई विल एनीबडी रिमूव देयर मैरिज फोटोग्राफ्स. और काफी टाइम से इन लोगों के बीच का प्रॉब्लम दिख भी रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट स्पॉटेड विद हर. तो अभी हमने रेडिट पे एक न्यूज आर्टिकल आया है विच एवरीबडी हैज बीन रीडिंग. आई विल ऑल्सो डू दैट, जो काइंड ऑफ सॉलिड प्रूफ लग ही रहा है, बिकॉज सी वो रेडिट पे पोस्ट आया है और उसके बाद इन्होंने ऑलरेडी अनफॉलो कर दिया था, तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ तो उसमें ट्रूथ बॉम्ब होगा ही. दैट्स व्हाई थिंग्स आर मूविंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन. सो दिस हैज बीन द आर्टिकल विच आई हैव पुट अप ऑल्सो. Recently, private detective Tanya Puri recalled working on some of the bizarre cases of her career, including some from Bollywood. She mentioned one particular case about a female actor who has apparently been fooling her fans and her partner for years. She mentioned a female actor who has been a part of the industry for a while and how this actor hit a snag in her career at one point. Tanya revealed that while the actor is romantically involved with someone, the entire relationship is just a facade. She has been an actress who has been a part of the industry for quite some time. She wasn't getting a lot of work at one point in her career, and her image in the industry was very clean and reputable. She is also romantically involved with someone, but that is all just for show, said Puri. She added that in order to maintain the lifestyle she had grown accustomed to, the actor started working as an escort. She added, the actor is actually working in the capacity of an escort. She meets people and charges money for her appearances. That is one such case where the guy she was with came to us and said, I feel like she is cheating on me. When we started monitoring her, we realized that she was involved with multiple people. Her companion is not from the industry, and she goes around the country and makes special appearance because she likes that kind of a high lifestyle. एंड तान्या पुरी ने ये भी बताया, जब उन्होंने उनके हस्बैंड को बताया तो देवर लाइक ही टुक दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन बट ही रियली डिडंट ब्रेक अप विद हर और confronted her. He just said, I will have a conversation with her and I will want her to come clean, because the amount she was getting from those services was actually helping in her business, because she was putting all of that money in their joint business. So he thought it is a fair share of a big deal. वो अपना इस business से पैसे ला रही थी तो उनको कोई problem नहीं थी, बट हो सकता है एट वन फेयर शेयर अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम उन्हें पता चल गया, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इतने स्पेकुलेशंस विद हर क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप विद दिशा पाटनी हैज बीन कमिंग इन द the rounds in the newspapers, in the whatever social media we see these days, that people were speculating that it seems very weird that this is she's married and she's not spending time, she's not holidaying, partying with her husband. Instead, she is traveling with her best friend, and every time she is just traveling with her. When Disha Patni was also involved with Vinder, that time we all saw the videos, clips and everything where Moni Roy was supporting their relationship. But it is all a sham, to be honest, because they were just trying to cover each other's relationship so that people will not, because she has that ideal image, she has a very reputable image in the media and with the fans, because she has worked in televisions before, she has done the perfect bahu roles, so people have that kind of admiration for her. So if everything or different, especially when you want to tell the people or you want to come out of a closet, then people are not really acceptable, especially here in our country. So she did not want to spoil that kind of a image. So yeah, that was all a cover up, because Disha Patni has never been in a steady relationship. Even once she had put a status that, for Disha Patni, that no man is right for you. So imagine if somebody is putting out those kinds of statements out in the world, they're themselves telling the world that something is brewing between us. But since now this has come to light, because obviously if they have unfollowed each other, then something might be going legal, or maybe they are heading for a separation, or they might just have been separated. So life is such. Instead, in Bollywood, to find a very solid relationship is just not possible. Everywhere you see, look, any couple, something or the other comes out eventually. We all thought, when we were seeing her beautiful marriage photographs and videos, and we thought, oh, she have found a perfect match for her after her breakup with Mohit Raina. But now we see why they also might have broken up in the past, because see, this is something you can't hide, or this is something you can't just have just at this age. Something you might have known for a very long time might be suppressing because you were in the television industry, where if this would have come out, it would have destroyed your image, your career and your everything. And looking bold and everything, and just she is very very beautiful and gorgeous, but look, she is also not telling the truth. She is trying to hide her image, the reality and everything from the people, and everybody deserves to know. See, eventually everything will come out and everybody will know, even though how much they will try to cover their PR and everything, that something just amicably or something just very on a very good terms and on friendship note they're ending a divorce. If it's a divorce, it can't be a good term or a friendship one. It is just a sham, because even when maybe in later years, if you share your children together, maybe that time you can be, but I don't think so. Okay, otherwise it happens in good taste. If you are separating, that means something really went down marriage, that's why you are separating from each other. So see, let's see what happens. We'll get to know eventually what is going to happen, and again I'll make a podcast on this. I've already made about her last year also, and this year again something has come up. So see, something or the other keeps on happening with their life. It's very difficult to be a celebrity, because you are for people, then everybody has the right to comment. I'm just sharing my thought here, nothing more. And again, I'll see you with my another video. Till then, like, share and subscribe, it will really help me. Thank you so much. Bye.